uthando lungako 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 uthando lungako 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 uthando lungako akekho umuntu onothando njengomama phela angithi uthando lungako 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 uthando lungako 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 uthando lungako 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 uthando lungako yeah bengifuna leyo yokuba umama njengoba eseke washo Ndlovukazi ngiyabonga kakhulu ithuba elithulayo njengoba esho ukuthi ngiqhamuka lapha kwi-sector yaka-LGBTI as a sector leader with eThekwini district ngibuye ngisebenzele ne-organization specific for LGBTI ngicabanga ukuthi mangabe benginikeza le topic ya diversity ngicabanga ukuthi iyangena kuyo yonke ngize ngapha khona bezongibona okay iyangena kuyo yonke lento ecabanga ukuthi anesingayo nje iqala lapha from ku-parenting Mrs. Hlongwane diversity uma ungumzali you need to understand ukuthi ey'nganeni zakho zo-4 zi-diverse vele zi-diverse ziwu-5 zinjalo ngisho ngabafana bakho bahle bonke kodwa ba-diverse so you need to understand the diversity regardless of the sexual orientation kodwa nje abantwana bakho bezelwe bahlukahlukene okusho ukuthi udiverse usho kona lokho kuhlukahlukana kodwa ngifuna ukuqala la sibe specific to u-LGBTI ngifuna ukuhighlighta nje izinto ey'ncane angazi ngenxa yesikhathi benginiphathele ama-flip chart lapho because bengifuna siwudwebe lo LGBTI so that we'll have a better understanding akufani ukukhuluma ngento nento ongeke uzoyi-understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizocela nje 2 minutes wokuthi sothatha amaphepha ngicela ubhuti abalapha Fula noSamkelo ngiyacela ningisiza lapha khona ama-mic will divide into 5 mhlawumbe nje bazohlala babe i-group kodwa ngifuna 5 groups esizokwenza lo LGBTI and then ngizobe sengichaza ukuthi ngizodweba kanjani so that mase ngibuya si-understand okay kuzobo group 1 mhlambe lamatafula u2 abo group 2 labaya babo group 3 la babo group 4 kubo group 5 u-L iloka lesbian nizodweba lo L nimbuka ukuthi ubukeka kanjani and ukwazi ukugqoka kanjani noma umchaza kanjani noma umbona kanjani kube ile group 2 uG wona ubonakala kanjani so that is so understand asesidwebile and then we'll present uma sengichaza kahle ngedwa ngifuna ukuthi sibe practical and then law group 3 uzodweba bisexual it could be a bisexual woman or it could be a bisexual male and then ngapha ya sizodweba this transgender and then igroup elapha ekugcineni izobe sidweba u-intersex and then as indweba ngizobe ngiqhubeka ngihighlighta ezinye izinto njengoba ngike ngaqala kuMrs. Hlongwane isikhulumi sakhe ekade esisho ma iyangichaza indlela yokuchaza ngayo you need ukuthi ene kuyo yonke into as a parent inikeze leya process yokuthi ungabuki wena it's not about you ngike ngavashela komunye umsakazi ngagcina ngiphumile noma sagcina singavumelananga while I was on air because whether you are a parent or not a parent but mina as a child angikwazi ukufeza ifiso zakho if wena wafuna ukuba udokotela wahluleka you cannot say mina fanele ngibe udokotela wena allow me ukuthi mina ngithanda ukuba yini because iqala lapho lento la sesithi okay I am a parent but mina ngizokutshela so la sasiba whether your orientation ithini nginikeze le yanto yokuthi mina ngiyetshisa but you cannot ungitshela ukuthi angiyetshise so that wena uzoku-accept can you imagine i-time frame engizokunika yona so that you accept my orientation while ikini wena ukhula awuzange uyi-disclose ukuthi I am a heterosexual woman so if I'm giving you that time frame but okufanele as abazali let's give abantwana bethu observe and then is understand ukuthi uzipresenta kanjani wena mithe halfway ekutheni now I want to understand ukuthi why are you different from kulapha remember angithe ekuqaleni abantwana bakho ngisho bangawu5 bahlukile bonke yeah that is why uzothola umunye wokugcina uthola ukuthi akekho good academic akusho ukuthi uyisidom but is good kuma skills awenzayo msupport because that is diversity as well not ukuthi ngoba yena udlala ibhola usuzothi no ngifuna ukuthi ube udokotela iqala lapho mase ngiya lapha ya so angazi noma nizobe nidweba while ngibe ngiqhubeka njengoba kade ngisho ukuthi u-L u-G u-B u-T u-I so that as ngiqeda la ngenzela ukonga isikhathi and then mase ngiyapresenta ngendlela enizobe ningidwebele ngayo angizwa uDr Zungu ukhulume kakhulu with the social construct i-social construct la ekade ekhuluma medically ngomuntu ne but kukhona la ebengithi ngifuna sibheke njengabazali kakhulu la masithi sizosebenzisa inkolo kakhulu ekutheni si-understand ukukhulisa umntwana ngokuthi if ngizosebenzisa inkolo yami let's say ngizothi iBhayibheli lithi God creates Adam and Eve. Does that mean ukuthi if mina sengidisclose ukuthi I'm a homosexual if inkolo yalapho does it mean do I have to disown in length ngifuna uyibuze njengomzali so I wanted to correct that ukuthi as a parent sometimes we need to understand ukuthi i-religion ne-culture iqhamuka kuphi and understand the history because sometimes siye sithi culture kanti akusiyi culture umkhuba ozokwenza ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sihlukane nezingane zethu sisebenzisa imikhuba ethile esingayazi imvelaphi yayo ukuthi yayikade isuke kanjani angazi noma iyezwakala lento engichazayo so it means we need to be careful that is why ngikujabulela mangabe kunezingxoxo nje sike saba nezinye ingxoxo la sinezipika khona eyisuke ezikhuluma ngemvelaphi yomuntu nje ngoba sometimes sisebenzisa ezinye izinto kodwa singazazi ukuthi zayikade iqhamuke and si end up as dishonor these children or labantwana esiphinde sithi thina bayisipho esivela kuNkulunkulu. Ngithandile mawuqala ngokuthi umuntu uyisikhukhukazi or umama uyisikhukhukazi la ekwazi ukufukwamela ingane zakhe so akusho ukuthi noma ngabe ichwane lakho linomlenze owodwa noma lilimele sekusho ukuthi likhiphe kodwa kusho ukuthi whatever konke okulanga phakathi kuwena kudinga ukuthi ukufukwamela so umama uke wachaza futhi omunye wathi umama noma umzali ongowesifazane uyidwala elikwazi ukubhigiza liphinde lapho so kubalekile ukuthi esibathi sinalento leyo ukuthi mina ngiyidwala kodwa uma usuba open minded in your religion or culture ukuthi kungabe lokho engisakwenza kuseyikho ngempela yini okay bekufuna ukuhighlighta lapho and then mase ngiba la okay ngiyabonga uma sengizoba nala usaze ke wachaza khona ezinye izinto mhlambe asibe specific uma sikhuluma ngo diversity sex it's when you assign whatever you assign at birth that is your sex okusho ukuthi home affairs noma yiloko ophiwe kona lesikhathi uzalwa wena kwasekuthiwa ngenxa yokuthi babone ini siyahambisana ngithi and then uma sikhuluma ngogender ugender it's when mina ngiphila kanjani that is why ngisho ngithi as umzali asifunda ukubheka izingane zethu whether ingane yomfana noma ingane yentombazane noma ngabe yini asibheke ukuthi uthi yena uphila kanjani yebo uzalwe kanje because ugender usishaya ngenxa yokuthi sibambe i-social construct yokuthi kwakulindelekeni uma ngabe sizele umfana that is why namanje mangabe sinama baby shower usazobabona la begcwele bephethe into eziblue because i-social construct ithi udokotela usethe umfana sonke sesigqoke okublue noma sesiphethe izipho ezihambisana nokhala othile but you will find umakhamzi odayise isitolo samadoda edayisa ama-shirt pink ngenkibheni pink so fanele sikugade lokho ukuthi a social construct ayikazi and leyo nto isenza jizitsha when we